What is good, everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make FU money with a personal brand, and I'll explain everything in just 3 simple steps. Let's go. But before I show you everything, I have to tell you something. We're not spending any money on ads, meaning that there's almost 0 expenses, just pure profit. That's just how it goes with a personal brand. And also, before you say that, oh, but I need a big audience to make some money, I got to my first 10K month at just 1K subscribers on my old channel, okay? You don't need a massive following. You need just the next steps. So let's get into it. So step number 1, you have to ask yourself, who are you? What expertise do you have? What problems did you solve in your life? It can be almost anything, okay? Do you have muscles? Do you have a money-making skill or something else? There are people who need your help. You have to understand, the skill can be almost anything. You're good at studying. You're good at gardening. You solved a massive problem. Maybe you went from fat to fit. There are people who need your help, and now it's your time to shine and make some money. So here's an actionable step. I want you to grab a piece of paper and create your ideal avatar, aka your customer, okay? So this is the audience that you're gonna build. You're gonna be posting to these kind of people. My first avatar in my first personal brand, when I was teaching people how to trade, my avatar was an unprofitable trader who wants to be unprofitable, okay? He has a problem. He's losing in the markets. He needs someone to guide him. So obviously this guy is eventually going to pay me some money, okay, to teach him, right? He's going to learn my lessons, learn from me. And it can also be as simple as a fat guy trying to lose weight, okay? Let's say you had a fitness transformation. You went from fat to fit. This is then going to be your avatar. Fat guy trying to lose weight. He needs your help. He's going to pay. Or another example, a 9-to-5er who needs help making money online, okay? This guy is so tired of his job. He wants to escape the rat race. You get the point. And you see this constant pattern with these avatars. They have problems that equals they're willing to pay. If they have problems, they're willing to pay. That's just how it goes, okay? Because people have problems. It's painful to have a problem. They want to get rid of that problem. It's painful, so they're willing to pay money and they're willing to learn from you, okay? Now it's time to move on to the money-making part. How do we actually make money? We have to understand that we're not gonna focus on the stuff that most people focus with their personal brand, making money with AdSense, with sponsorships. That's just lame, okay? You need a big audience to make at least some profit with that. We want to sell our information, remember. We just created our avatar who need help. Now it's time to sell them something. But here's the problem that also most people make. They start to sell cheap courses and this and that. That's not very smart. You should sell high ticket programs like mentorships. Because listen, here's the math, and I've also had experience with this. Low ticket, let's say you sell a $50 per month course or something like that. You need 200 clients per month to get 10K. See? That's a lot of people. And especially if you're starting out, that's going to be very, very difficult to achieve. But with high tickets, it's very easy. Two clients, listen, 2 clients paying you 5K, that's already 10K. Or 4 clients paying you 2.5K, that's already 10K. And also the best part about selling high ticket is that these people who join your mentorship, your program, they're most likely to succeed. They're most likely to give you a testimonial that will give you more money in the long run because these people are committed. They just paid you a lot of money. Obviously, they're going to join the cause. Obviously, they're going to take it seriously and most likely get the results. So it's a win-win situation. Obviously, I'm not a shit talker who just says that high ticket is better. I've had experience in both. I used to sell a cheap community access for $50 per month. Okay, $50 per month per client. That made me around 1.5K, 2K per month. I had like 30 to 40 clients in paying me monthly. Not the greatest result. Obviously, the best part about selling low ticket, selling these community access for monthly payments is that it's recurring revenue. But still, it's not the greatest results. But as soon as I changed from selling low ticket to high ticket, everything changed literally within a week. Okay, everything changed within a week. Okay, obviously I had to sacrifice something, but it was worth it because my old monthly income became my daily income. Obviously not the daily income, you get the point, but like every sale I got at least 2K. And I remember I was kind of lowballing it a little bit. As you can see here, 999, like 1K per mentorship. And the reason why I did that was because I was kind of hesitant. I wasn't sure, could I really sell a 2 to 3K mentorship? But eventually I put my balls on the table, and this was my first 2K day. And it was so crazy because like it happened so fast. Like I went from selling low tickets and then I switched to high tickets, and within a week I already got my first 2K sale. Like in a sales call, I joined the sales call, 2K profit, like profits, no expenses. That's the beauty about personal branding and selling high ticket mentorships and info in general. Okay, first 2K day, then eventually 2.5K. Everything changed after I switched from low ticket to high ticket. You also need to do that. Start selling high ticket, and the best part is that most likely your students are going to succeed. And if you're in the niche space, you're teaching something specific, most definitely you need to sell high ticket, because like people are willing to invest. Now, to sell high ticket, you have to understand that your audience buys because they see your mentorship / program as an investment. Okay, as an investment, because they're not just buying because they want to buy for fun. They pay you because they know that most likely they will get something in return that has a multiplier. Okay, because they'll think like this: I'll buy because otherwise I'll waste my own time trying to figure it out on my own. Or if I now pay, most likely I'm going to get faster results, more money, more results, better biceps. You get the point. And also, this is the brutal truth when selling high ticket, when selling info in general. You have an advantage if you are in the finance niche. You're teaching money-making methods. It doesn't have to be all crazy. You can teach sales. You can teach some basic money-making methods, like making money online, not even great amounts, but still, if you're teaching something that has money involved, people are going to see that as an investment. They'll think like this: I'm going to now pay this guy, my mentor, 2.5K or 5K or 7K, because I know that I will acquire the skills from the mentorship, and then I will get the money back as a multiplier. Okay, that's how the simple psychology works with selling high tickets, especially in the finance niche. But obviously, you need to create something valuable. You need to know how to create that mentorship coaching program to sell it for thousands. Okay, it's just, you're not gonna sell a fucking shit product. You have to sell something valuable. That's the key, because to sell it for thousands, it needs to be valuable. Usually, I recommend starting with one-on-one calls, like you joining with the client, one-on-one calls, giving him your time. But obviously, later on, when you start getting more clients, it's going to be like harder to scale. Okay, it's obviously going to be harder to scale. You cannot go on one-on-one calls every single day with 50 people, 100 people. So then you can add group calls. Maybe you can add a private community. You can also add a course to that program. Okay, don't sell the course individually to everyone. Add it to the mentorship. Adds more value, more perceived value, and it looks nice. Okay, you can also add access to you through chat. Okay, they can write questions. You can also add a AI bot that is like you, but it's AI, but it's like you created the AI in a sense that it thinks like you, answers like you, and in-depth guidance. You can add them to the call, show him fucking a scaling plan, a full blueprint, etc., etc. And you need to ask yourself, do you want to create a done for you or done with you service coaching program? Okay, because done for you, it's more costly. You can sell it for more expensive, but there's the cost of it being harder to scale. Okay, in the long run, especially because, like, imagine if you have 100 people, you need to individually help them and create their stuff. But if it's a done with you, it's easy to scale, and you can just help everyone at the same time. Easy, man. So I recommend this one. Before I move on to the most important step of this video, make sure to subscribe, because then you'll not miss out the free bootcamp that is dropping on June 22nd. Okay, very soon. So make sure to subscribe. Let's continue. Now, step number 3 is the most important, the content system. You have to understand, we need traffic. Okay, we need traffic. We need people, eyeballs. We need people to watch our videos in order to us to even convert them into buying customers. Okay, we need the traffic. Now, that's where social media comes in play. Remember, we're gonna do everything organically. We're not gonna pay no ads. 3 formats you need to know. There's TOF, top of funnel. I'm gonna explain very soon what that means. There's also MOF, middle of funnel videos. And lastly, there's BOF, bottom of funnel videos. TOF means, top of funnel videos means usually lifestyle, tier lists, etc., etc. Like more entertainment videos, more like just getting it out there, get eyeballs. And again, the main goal of this is gain new attention, new viewers, and also it builds curiosity. Like, let's say if I post a Dubai vlog like I just posted recently, it gets new views, and also people are gonna think like, what does he do that he's able to go to Dubai, do all this crazy shit? You know, it builds curiosity, right? MOF, this is very powerful. Middle funnel videos. It's usually value, how-to videos, etc., etc. Because, like, let's say you have a six-pack, you can record a tutorial on how to get the six-pack, meal prep planning, all these kind of good shit, right? It creates trust, builds authority, and filters your audience. Remember, if you get the new people from the TOF, from the top of funnel videos, when you post a middle funnel video, it will filter out those people who will never buy from you. Okay, that's very powerful. And the ones who actually are willing to pay you later on and they're interested in your videos, on the stuff that you talk about, they will stay. That's good. And bottom funnel videos, this is very powerful. This is the actual stuff that most likely will get you money. Okay, so this is usually results, client wins, and actually just proof. This proves legitimacy, creates urgency, and usually even instant clients. You can literally just put your link in the description like, oh yeah, if you want to buy, go ahead. Like if you want to join the free call, go ahead. So you should always remember to take advantage of these 3 formats. Make sure to post them consistently. That's how you get the most progress. And remember, it's not about the views. It's not about the views. It's about bringing the right people in. Now here's the posting frequency for the most profit. YouTube long form. This is very powerful. Remember, YouTube is where you usually can nurture these people. They're gonna spend a lot of time watching you explain stuff, meaning that they're gonna trust you more. So it's very powerful to post YouTube long form. 1 to 2 times per week, YouTube long form is very powerful. And the reason why you need to post long form is because there's literally a study. Was it 6 to 8 hours of watch time per person increases trust. It makes them trust you. So obviously, if you post long videos, it's obviously gonna be very powerful. Okay, they'll trust you. And short form is very good as well. This gets those eyeballs, those new people, and they're gonna check your shit, and they can later on move on to the long form. So 3 to 10 times daily. I know you're gonna be like, what the fuck? I have no time. Well, do you really want to succeed or not? That's the question, okay? And email list / Telegram. This is also very powerful. You need to also obtain the audience. You're not just gonna keep them here all the time. You should ask for their email, give something in return, obviously. So you're gonna give them an ebook, they're gonna give their email, or they can just join your Telegram or email list, and you're gonna post 3 to 5 times per week. You're gonna nurture these people into buying customers, and obviously you're gonna post there more if you're about to launch something. So if I'm gonna launch a new mentorship, a new program, I'm gonna post at least 2 times per day, okay, like 7 days prior. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the free bootcamp that is dropping on this channel on June 22nd. Peace out.